I didn't know that. I didn't know that. What else? What else? Oh, gosh. Golly gosh. Oh. Your little friendies. Oh, little friendies. You love playing with your little friendies, don't you? Don't you? Don't you love playing with your little friendies? You say hello to Uncle Kieran. You say hello. You say hello to Uncle Kieran. Yeah. You're trying some little video. You're talking away to Uncle Kieran. Aren't you? Aren't you? 3 months tomorrow, Cara. 3 months tomorrow. Big girl you are. Look at the big girl you are. Yeah. You are. You are a big girl. Party in microwave 2 AM. Bring a bottle. Good girl. Good girl. Oh. You're telling loads of stories there, aren't you? You're telling loads of stories. You're telling loads of stories. Loads of stories. Huh? Oh, you're gorgeous. Now. Bye-bye, Uncle Kieran. Bye-bye, Uncle Kieran. Oh, where is he? Where is Uncle Kieran? You're going to see him soon, aren't you? Aren't you? Oh, he's not over there. He's not over there. No. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.